This is the elevator at Staley Hall for Arts and Letters at Grove City College in Grove City, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler 330A from 2001. It's a Hollis. Pretty small. 2,100 pounds for a new building. Go up to 3. Here we go up. This car too. There's another one here, I think. Possible size cab, picture door. Doesn't run very well. Won't be stuck too. Here are 3. Please close, thank you. Go back down to 1. I forgot to chime down outside, not the inside. Hall of Arts and Letters, pastoral number 2, 0715, I think that's the building file number. It's a basic stainless steel cab. This building's kind of fancy. I'm disappointed at the stainless steel cab, but oh well. Here we go, 1. Close, and that's going to be it.